Hello kids, welcome back to all. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will learn about the use of articles, that is a, an and the. Let's start. The first article is a. A is used before nouns which begin with consonants. Means a is used before nouns which start with consonants. Students, look at this pic. Here consonants are given. The alphabets B, C, V, T, S, D, F, G, H, R, J, K, P, M, X, Y, L, Q, Z are called consonants, and with consonants we use a. For example, a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. So with these words we use the article a. The next is an. An is used before nouns that begin with vowel sound. Means an is used before nouns that start with vowel sound. So look at this pic. Here we have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. Let's see some examples. An apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. The word apple, elephant, ice cream, otter and umbrella starts with vowel. So that's why we use an with them. The next is the. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Means the is used before the name of any river, holy books, special things and famous places and buildings. For example, the Statue of Liberty, the Himalaya, the sun. So these nouns are specific. So with these nouns we use the article the. Now kids, let's do the practice of some more examples. The first example is Lily put dash egg in dash pot. Kids, in first blanks we will put an, and in a second blank we will put a. Why we put like this? Because the word egg start with vowel, that is E, and the word pot start with consonant, that is P. The next is my mother baked dash cake. Now we use the article a because the word cake start with consonant, that is C. Next is dash sun is bright. Here we use the because sun is a specific name. Okay, so with specific noun we use the article the. Ria lives in dash igloo. Now here we will use an igloo because the word igloo start with vowel. The last is dash red fort is in Delhi. Here we use the article the because red fort is the specific noun. Now kids, this was all for this topic. I hope you all have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.